Hello everyone. So first of all, we will create a new user. So we will sign up and let's have any name like testing. Okay. Phone number will be of 10 digit. Password for simplicity, I am taking A, and it will open the camera and it will click a pic of mine and the picture is taken. And now if I want to see where my user is click the pic and all everything, so just I'll go to my B project. In that data and see testing and my pic testing. Okay, so username will be testing and password as I know A, and it will again open the camera. So I think you cannot see the camera because you cannot see, so the camera is opened. It just testing my face, and yes, all done. So we have a list of exam here, like these all things, and we can add any number of examinations by just going to the admin panel and all. So let's have a test. And Google is I have only one question for making it a quick video. So search engine, submit form, and I'm selected from the dash down, and I hope okay, wait, okay, I hope it will capture the image of, sorry, sound of this desktop.
Welcome to the interview. What is Google?
Google is a search engine. So I just said the correct answer. So it's told me you are selected for the interview. So one more thing that I forget to mention you, this one, the expression, it will, if okay, I'll show you after that if you want. Okay, let me show you. It will not take a long time. So just I'm running this code, and after this it will capture the whole image and process the test. So I'm again logging. So testing, and a you can if you want you can skip 10 or 20 seconds. Just capture my image and okay, search engine, and as you can see, okay, it's not started yet. Oh.
Welcome to the interview.
Okay, this is not yet started.
What is Google?
Yeah, camera started. Search engine, sorry, because so I think the camera is started. So after that, if I see what is the output, okay, not respond. Okay, the test is completed. It told me sad. Okay, this was the face expression. So okay, this is also a parameter to identify what is the expression of the candidate. Okay, thank you.